It hurts. We be burning up. We wake up in sweat. We go to bed in sweat.
This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Return home, some did anyway.
Back in Grand Isle,
I'm sorry.
I mean, you got time here. You got memories here.
Yeah.
Mayor Cammerdale is heartbroken for what the town's 1,400 permanent residents will come home to.
It's tough, but I'm going to get them home.